The AI Mentor is a brand new page where you can find the latest AI tools. And you can also submit your own AI tools there or affiliate link and make money with them. And in this tutorial I show you how to use this new page. Find the best AI tools. This is how it looks, the AI Mentor website. You can see here we got a search bar here. And here we have the latest AI tools. You can find them here, always changing. And then we got some blog posts here, okay? You can enter the blog, and here you can enter into the YouTube channel. Let's go back to the search bar. We got a few categories here, and here you can choose. We have Amazon, we have applications, we have assistant, blog, branding, chatbot, coding. Let's have a look for branding. You can see we got everything here with branding. This is like an AI tool where you can create royalty-free logo design. And here also you can create branding, logos. And here another tool for branding. Okay, let's go back to home, and you can also search with keywords. What are you looking for? For example, images. When you don't know which category you can choose or you can search, then just give the keyword here, click on search, and then you find everything depending on images. If this is draw 3D, transform your sketch into a photorealistic image, or this one, a tool to generate images with customizable poses, Doodle Morph. Already we have 2 pages here of AI tools, okay, depending on images. And then, if you know any good AI tool, you can submit this tool here. Just leave your name here, your email, the name from the AI tool. The very interesting part is you can also leave your affiliate link here. If you register as an affiliate for an AI tool, then you can make money with that here, okay? Send the message, and then we will check the tool, and then in a few hours later you can find it here, okay? And then when we go back to the home page here, when you leave this blank everything, you choose nothing, just click on search. Then you will see all the AI tools come up here, okay? I think we have already 10 sites or something like that. Every day it's getting more. Inside here you can share the AI tool via Facebook, Twitter, on Pinterest. And then here you see a few informations here about the AI tool, and here you can click the link, and you can also leave a review here. If you already know how to use this AI tool, your own AI tool that you have submitted here, or you can try any other AI tools that you can find here on this page, okay? So if you like any AI tool here, then please click the share button as much as possible, so that this page is going much bigger very soon. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then just give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!
Oh, 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 oh.